Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
This one checks all the boxes. RT, SE, 446 pack. Rotisserie restored. The car is fantastic. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find all the pricing, all the specs, photos top to bottom of this car and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. On our website, plenty of ways to contact us. I have a whole staff of people, and their job is to help you get your dream car. If you have more questions, concerns, you need shipping, you need financing, we can help with all of that. So visit volocars.com, plenty of ways to reach out to us on there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel too. That's the best way to see the videos as we post them. So let's take this for a spin. High impact sublime green. It was born this color, and the fit and finish is outstanding. I got this from a fussy Mopar collector that I've known for a long time. He is fussy about fit and finish. He came out to buy a car from me once. The car was fantastic. He found one bubble the size of your pinky nail. He walked away from the car because of that bubble. He also painted a car once that was already beautiful, repainted the whole car. So I'm just telling you, this guy is fussy with the fit and finish. The gaps are all real nice, the doors fit, the paint and body is just gorgeous on this car. And when you see the pictures on our website, the underneath is painted this color. It's beautiful. Underneath is all done. The suspension, exhaust, bottom of the motor is clean, fuel lines, brake lines, all new. The special edition, the SE, has a smaller rear window. This has the smaller window, it has a cloth headliner, and it has an overhead console with the little lights that says door ajar, seatbelt light. That's part of the special edition. Also part of the SE is genuine leather. The two front bucket seats are nice glove soft leather, not vinyl. That's all part of that package. And it is a real RT. It's a U code 440 car. Someone has added the 6-pack to it. It's got bumper guards, the power bulge hood with the pins. Look at how all that's restored beautifully. And the car runs and drives fantastic. I drove it yesterday. This is show quality. The whole engine bay is painted beautifully. Every component is restored, detailed, rebuilt. Everything looks stock, except it does have some coated headers. Looks like it has an MSD coil, it has power steering, power brakes, and everything's proper. The alternator, the horns, the fan shroud, all looks great. Glass is beautiful. See how nice it all fits? Shuts real nice. I think this is part of the SE too, the trim on top of the doors. Jambs are beautiful. This plastic is all real nice. The dash pad is mint. The console's real nice. It has embroidered floor mats. Pop-up gas cap, has the tail stripe. Trunk compartments, all beautiful metal, painted, the exterior color. Has the jack, has a spare, has a mat, has a real nice cloth car cover that comes with it. 15-inch Rallye wheels. Looks like the back ones are a little bigger. It's got a nice aggressive stance. They're nice meaty tires. It's got the tough grip steering wheel, sport mirrors. Whoever gets this will get a quality car, I assure you that. I actually bought this car without even looking at it. He only lives 15, 20 minutes from here, and I made a deal with him without looking at it because I know his cars. Has the Rallye gauges, nice stereo system. Quartz movement in the clock. All the gauges are working properly. That idle is beautiful. It has a stereo, but you don't need it with an idle like that. Yeah, that's nice. Again, the shifter knob, the console, the steering wheel, the mirror, everything's so nice. The seat belts. So visit volocars.com. You'll get all the specs. We just got this car in a day ago. That's nice. The whole car's, everything about it's nice. That's why I say someone's going to be really happy with this car. The moldings, the emblems, the vinyl top, the trim on the wheels. It's just a really good car. Excellent car, I should say. So visit the website, let us know any questions, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're doing 4 or 5 videos a day. Thanks for watching.